Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use a landing net in Fishing Planet. First, ensure you have the right net for your target fish. A small net is suitable for panfish, while a larger, stronger net is needed for bigger catches like pike or catfish. Always have your net ready and easily accessible when you anticipate a bite. This preparation saves valuable seconds when a fish is on the line, increasing your chances of a successful catch. Timing is everything when using a landing net. Once you've reeled a fish close, gently guide it towards the net. Submerge the net just below the water's surface, creating an inviting target. Allow the fish to swim into the net head first, rather than trying to scoop it from above. This technique minimizes stress on the fish and reduces the risk of it thrashing free at the last second, ensuring a smooth capture. After the fish is safely within the net's opening, swiftly lift the net upwards and out of the water. Make sure the net's rim is completely clear of the water to prevent the fish from jumping out. Hold the net securely, keeping the fish contained. This swift action prevents any last-minute escapes, especially from energetic fish. You've successfully landed your catch, ready for release or keeping, depending on your fishing goals. Proper net maintenance extends its lifespan and protects fish. After each use, rinse your net thoroughly with fresh water to remove debris and fish slime. Regularly inspect the mesh for any tears or weak spots that could lead to a lost fish. Consider nets with rubberized mesh, as they are gentler on fish, reducing scale damage and slime coat removal, which is vital for catch and release practices. A well-maintained net is a reliable tool.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.